Meaning of fairer sex.
Fairer sex.
Fairer sex.
Fairer sex.
Fairer sex. The term fairer sex is a euphemism that refers to women and is used to suggest that women are delicate, pure, and morally superior to men. This phrase is often used in a complimentary context, as it implies that women are more beautiful and graceful than men. However, this term can also be seen as sexist or objectifying, as it reduces women's worth to their physical appearance. Ultimately, the subjective nature of beauty and gender roles makes it difficult to conclusively define the meaning of the term fairer sex.